I am so glad that you're here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I add those extra little bookmarks to my Bibles. If you hear squeaking in the background, I apologize. I hope it is not too distracting, but we have newborn puppies and they're in my office/school area of the house, which is right over here. So those little squeaks, that's what that is. They're adorable. Many of you that have Bibles already know, but if you don't have a Bible, then this will be new for you. And I highly suggest that you get one because this will be the best read of your entire life. So they only come with one of these little bookmarks. And if you're really trying to study, then you're going to want to mark all kinds of pages, and you don't want to fold your pages down or anything like that. And sticking a whole bunch of bookmarks in it can be problematic. They can fall out, stuff like that. I'm going to show you how to add more of these. All you're going to need is some ribbon of your choice. I have chosen this gold ribbon, a hot glue gun. If you don't have a hot glue gun, you can use maybe any other kind of glue, but I've only ever used this, and a pair of scissors. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is cut your ribbon first. I would take it and fold it over like that, and then measure, just kind of go by how long you want these to be. And I'm gonna go about right here. And then you're just going to want to cut more the same length. Go with that. I don't know how many that made. We'll count here in a minute. But where I folded it, you're just gonna cut. See the little fold? Cut those. And then you're gonna go to the other end. And all of these, you're just gonna cut those there. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will make 8 bookmarks. We're gonna let this heat up. And we're gonna take our bookmarks and get them all lined up, kind of spread like that, because if you put them all in like one flat little bunch, they won't pull as good to the different pages. So we're gonna do that, and I'm gonna take a little piece of tape . This just helps me hold them in place. There we go. So that I don't lose them. But that is going to help me keep them in place where I want them. Like that. And you want to make sure that it's not wider than the spine. See that? You're gonna wanna open it like that so that you have access to the space in between the pages and the cover of the book. You're gonna wanna put it inside of there. And that is where we're gonna glue it. So right in there, not too close to the edge, but not too far down, because you're gonna press it with your finger. You're gonna take your hot glue and get it in there. Then take this and put it in and press it against the spine. Like that. Put a little bit more on top, just for extra measure. And push again. There is your extra bookmarks. So then you can put your bookmark wherever you want in this Bible. Looky there. You can add all the bookmarks that you would like. And if you think these are a little too long, you can cut them. I do think these are a bit long, so let's trim these down. I'm gonna go about here, just a little bit longer than the original bookmark, like that. And one more thing you're gonna wanna do is burn the end of each bookmark so that your ribbon doesn't fray. Just for a second, that's all you gotta do. So there you have it, folks. Simple and easy, and you can have all of the bookmarks that your heart desires. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I will answer to the best of my ability. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!